Alright, hi you guys, happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a really great spring break. This little video, hopefully is short, is just to teach you guys how to use Zoom because we will be using Zoom in the next couple of weeks to be able to communicate with each other. I am pretty sure you guys have seen this around already, but Zoom is just a way to like video chat with each other without having like a face-to-face meeting because you know that's impossible right now. Either way, what you're going to do is on a computer, you're going to go to zoom.com. On your phone, you're going to download the app and open it up. If you do not have enough storage, you could either do this on a computer or go to zoom.com on your Safari browser or your Chrome browser on your phone. When you go to zoom.com, it's going to give you the option to join a meeting, and that's what you're going to click, join a meeting. Please do not sign up for any account. You do not need to sign up for an account. All you have to do is click join a meeting. It'll ask you for a meeting ID. Our meeting ID will be the same exact one throughout all of our Zoom meetings, and our meeting ID is 230-208-9416. You're going to put that in there and you're going to click join. So this is the same for both the phone and the computer. However, on the computer, it'll ask you to open Zoom. The phone won't ask you to do this. The app won't ask you to do this. On the computer, you're going to click open Zoom. And then there I am. So hello, I miss you guys. So you guys have a couple options on the video. Right now it says that I'm muted, and I am because I don't want it to get all echoey. But down here you can mute or unmute yourself. You could also stop the video and your icon will pop up in case you don't want other people to see your face. That's totally understandable. So you'll be able to listen in and you'll be able to participate, but you won't be recorded. Down here you'll be able to see me. That is my icon. If you want to see me, I am right here. Hello, I miss you guys. And then that's where I'll be. Over here we also have a couple different options that you can play with. You can chat, you can share the screen with me in case you guys have any questions about something going on your screen, anything with the lesson. And you also have the option to leave the meeting. Please do not leave the meeting unless it's really important. We are taking attendance for these meetings, so please make sure that you are on them and that you're not leaving them randomly in the middle of a session. Once I end the meeting, I'm going to click it on my end. I'm going to click end meeting, and a little thing will pop up that says this meeting has been ended by host, and you'll click OK, and that will be it. And that's basically how you use Zoom. If you guys have any questions, please remember that the best way to reach out to me is through the Remind app or through Instagram Live. Sorry, not Instagram Live, just Instagram DM. So please make sure you have me on one or both of those apps. It's very important. We will be taking attendance starting Monday, March 30th, and grades will be put in for the fourth quarter using these activities, doing all of these things that we've been doing during distance learning. So please make sure that you're getting it done. Also, if you know of anyone who hasn't been able to join Google Classroom because they were absent or they haven't been to school in a while, please pass along this information to them. It's really important. This could affect their NGs and their overall grade. So just make sure that you're doing a favor to someone who might not have been there when you were. I hope you guys all have a great Sunday, and tomorrow, Monday, March 30th, we are back on Google Classroom. Make sure you go on there to check for your assignment, and please make sure that you are logging into Zoom at 1 p.m. because I do want to have our first meeting on there tomorrow at 1 p.m.